In this video, I'll show you how to fold and unfold the second row and the third row of your Acura MDX. This is a second generation, but I'm pretty sure it works the same on the first and the second. So over here you have a latch on the corner of the seat. You just need to pull it at the same time, okay? You can adjust the backrest, but you can also fold it completely if you pull that latch. The headrest may rub on the front seat. You just have to push the front seat a bit forwards and it should work. Now make sure you don't have anything on that bench, if not it will not be flat. Over here you see the armrest was deployed. Just push it back and it's somehow flat, I would say. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the latch and push the seat forward. Now you may notice there is another latch over here, but this one serves another purpose. So if you pull it, let me put it back. If you pull this latch, it's to allow passenger to enter the third row. So it will simply push the seat forward and slightly bend the backrest. This is not what you want. You absolutely need to pull the latch on the corner of the seat. Now the rear seat on the third row, let me go this way, it's easier for me to show you. You can pull them back simply by pulling the latch that is on them. So open the trunk and access this latch. If you want to push them back, you see, you just need to pull the latch to unlock them and push them with your other hand or with the same hand. It's very easy. It can be done in a simple movement like this. So now you have a very flat floor and you can carry big furniture and stuff like that. Comment down below, subscribe and like. Thanks.